Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can use crop tool into your photo app. Friend, in this tutorial I'm going to showing you a very advanced method to cropping your image by any ratio which you want. So friend, keep watching. In this tutorial you will learn something new. Friend, this is the photo app and here we are going to open this image first and then I'm going to show you how you can do the cropping thing. Now you can see that this image is showing over here and we want to do the cropping thing. You simply click on this edit button which is located left hand top, and here you can see that we are into cropping tool now. You simply click here of the cropping tab, so this will activate. Okay, so by this way friend, you can easily crop by this way. This is the custom size. You can do cropping over here and then simply save as crop. Okay, so here we are going to do the sampling thing, so you will get the idea about it. That's why we are going to save T1 as a crop one. Okay, so now friend, you can see that this image is cropped now. Now we are going to showing you a different way to do a ratio cropping. So we are going to close these things and here again we are going to click on this full image, and now we are going to cropping by another way. You simply click on this edit. Here I'm going to show you a dragging thing. This is the arrow dragging thing. You can cropping like this and you can also cropping like this. By this way you can easily the cropping this image. Very advanced method to do that. Now if you want to cropping by the another way, like different ratio, then you simply click on this free icon, and friend, here you will see that many options are available, like 916 by you can do cropping like 960 and you can drag this image in center and right and left very easily. Now we have this another 16 by 9 ratio. If you want to do, simply click here, so this will cropping like this. Okay, here you can see the 4 by 5 ratio. You can also do that very easily. Here you can see the 5 by 4 ratio, and here also that will done. So by this way friend, you can different ratio cropping thing. You can do this image very easily, or you can simply, if you want to select this ratio, then simply click on this done button, so your cropping thing will done. Now we are going to click on this 9 by 16 ratio and then click on done button and click on this again 9 ratio. So this will, here we are going to save this save as a copy image. This is the C2 image, and then click on this save button. So friend, this image will save as a 9 by 16 ratio over here. So friend, this is the way where you can easily cropping your image by angling thing. Also you can by 960 ratio and other ratio you can do that. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily crop your image in photo app. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to crop image in photo app. If maybe you have any query question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.